So I've stopped using DaVinci Resolve. Well, at least for now. So if you've watched any of my video editing tutorials, then you know that DaVinci Resolve is my all-around favorite video editor, and I think for the vast majority of people out there, this is going to suit all your needs, whether you are a content creator or you're doing professional work. DaVinci Resolve has more features than you probably ever need. Plus, there is a free version which will give you probably 90 to 95% of all the features that you would want in the studio paid version, which is the version that I am using. However, I am using something else instead of DaVinci Resolve, so let me show you what I'm using. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and if I have to use one word to describe it, I would say packed. This is a feature-packed suite of tools because not only is it a video editor, but it is the standard whenever it comes to color grading. This is used by professionals to make movies, shows, whatever the case might be. When people think about color grading, they think about DaVinci Resolve, and this is what it was known for before Blackmagic purchased it and then added these other features like video editing. But it's not only a video editor and color grading tool, but you could also do compositing in here, plus audio editing as well. So as a creator, this is basically the complete package. It has everything you need and then many other things that you might not use, which leads me to today's reason why I don't use DaVinci Resolve right now. What I am using is something that is better suited for the type of videos that I produce and that I edit. And so this is the video editor that I'm using now. This is Kdenlive. This is a video editor that I've been using for years, way before DaVinci Resolve. And the main reason why I came back to Kdenlive is simplicity. Kdenlive, it's so much simpler and easier to use, and it is a video editor that I'm very familiar with. And even though I love DaVinci Resolve for all the features, power, and professional tools that it provides, it is not a very easy tool. It is complex, and it does require more versus something like this where, well, it is just so much quicker and easier for me. And as you can tell, my video edits are very basic and simple, so I don't necessarily need something as powerful as DaVinci Resolve to make those type of videos. And so that's why I have stopped using DaVinci Resolve for now and have come back to Kdenlive. And so if you actually had any thoughts on either of these video editors or any other video editors that you enjoy using, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my video editing tutorials for Kdenlive, DaVinci Resolve, and other video editors, I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you on another episode.